All right, guys, we are doing break number 4 of the big boxes. So this is going to be box number 2 out of 25. So you've got 5 to 7 autographed memorabilia items in here. So this is a random last name letter break. So every $65 spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So in this one, I've got Marty with 2 spots. Brian G, you've got 1. John P with 1. John W with 1. Arturo's got 2. Ryan M, you've got 1. Sean H with 1. And then Matt C, first time breaking with us. And you've got the last spot in the big box. So that's 10 altogether. Excuse me. So let's start off and randomize the last names here. Hang on just 1 second. All right, so we'll randomize this 5 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so Y up at the top, V down at the bottom. All right, now let's randomize the guys that are in this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, so John P up at the top. Got Marty down at the bottom. All right, here we go. So Arturo, you've got E, K, B, and S. Brian G's got L, W, Y, and C. Ouch. W's not bad. We'll see. Oh, no, excuse me. Brian, you got L and W. John P, you've got Y and C. John W with F, and then J. Nice, John. That Jeter. We pull that one. That's going to be yours, man. Marty with the H, G, T, and V. Matt C, you've got A and M. Ryan, you've got R and D, and then Sean H with P and N. All right, there you go. So hopefully you guys got some letters that you like. How much did that, dude? That thing was, it was about 15 bucks I had to pay to ship it. It was not cheap. All right. Let me show you this one. This actually's got a ding inside. I don't know what that says. All right, so up on the top, see it's all sealed up here. Sealed on the bottom. And I do have this ding on the side. I don't know if it's sitting up here. I think one of my boys kicked it. I don't think that happened in shipping, or I would have seen that, I think, when I picked it up. So he did kick the side of it. All right. So everybody's sticking with their crappy letters, I guess. Here we go. Good luck. Sean, what you gonna do with that belt, man? You gonna hang on to it? All right, here we go. All right, we got some round stuff in there. So maybe a helmet in there, John W. Tell you what, let's just go ahead and do this one first since it's sitting on top. See if we can pull this beater bat out of here. You gonna keep it? Cool. Are you a UFC guy? Or Conor McGregor, or is it just one of those, it's just too cool to sell? Oh, dude, that's sweet. Josh K, how about that one, man? Got a Joe Theismann. I love the black and white, and he's the only one in color. 83 NFL MVP. Nice 16 by 20 auto. David Adams C of A sticker. And then there's the card on the back. Dude, that's nice right there. So T and that's going to go to Marty. Marty, you got some Redskins fans in the chat room that wouldn't mind taking that from you. All right, got a jersey here. What in the world is this? You got Beckett. Beckett certified. It says Breadman. This is going to be a hockey jersey. Panarin. All right, this is where my lack of hockey knowledge. Stephen B, you're going to have to hook us up, man. Or at least hook me up. Tell me who that is. Artemi Panarin. For you hockey guys, I probably sound like a fool trying to pronounce that. Artemi Panarin. I'm pretty sure it's hockey, but that's going to be Sean H. You got some hockey haters in the room. I don't even know what team that is, but it's a authentic Reebok jersey. And he sounds Russian, so he's got to be good. All right, Chuck says Blackhawks. Is it good? Is that a good pull, or is it eh? All right. I'm going to save that one for last. All right, looks like we got a football here. All right, looks like we got a Baylor Bears. I think that's going to be a Corey Coleman, maybe. Fanatics C of A right there. See if that's who that is. Oh, it is going to be Corey Coleman. It's not wanting to zoom in, but you guys can see that. All right, so Corey Coleman. So that's going to be C, which is going to John P. All right, so that's 3 hits. Looks like we got another baseball here. Oh, nice one. About a Lou Brock autographed baseball. Nice pull there for Arturo. It's like it's TriStar certified. Oh. It's got the sticker on it. I don't know if there's a C of A. Yeah, there's a C of A down here in this bag. So there you go. Marbles. It wouldn't surprise me if we pulled marbles out of here. We pulled just about everything else. All right. Hit number 5. So it looks like we're going to get maybe, that's going to be 6. What in the world? JSA certified. Dude, how about this, man? How about Buster Douglas autographed boxing shorts? Autographed right there. I have no idea what else that says. Tyson. Tyson something. 211.90. Maybe that was the day he knocked out Tyson. And I guess that's his auto right there. That's pretty cool. Joe, what's up, man? Actually, no, everything's sold out for tonight. We're totally sold out. All right, let's see what this last one's going to be. Oh, man. John W. I don't want to get your hopes up, but that is definitely a baseball helmet. Now, the question is it going to be Jeter? John W. John W. There it is, man. Dude, that might be the greatest hit we've ever pulled for you, and we pulled you some nice stuff. How about a Derek Jeter autographed baseball helmet? Holy crap. Unbelievable. All right, here is the Steiner C of A. My voice is cracking. How about that? John, you better send me about 100 eBay messages freaking out right now. That is incredible. Unbelievable. There's another look at it. It's a nice clean auto too, right there on the lid. Nice pull, man. All right, so I'm going to get that sealed up here. And John, that one's coming your way, man. Nice hit on the Derek Jeter helmet. I imagine that's it. That is going to be it. All right, so a couple good boxes tonight, guys. So we've pulled the McGregor out of here. Now we pulled the Jeter. Still a lot of really great stuff that we can pull out of here. So we'll do another of these coming up, 2 more coming up next weekend. So I hope you guys will join us for that.